All right, question number 21. The ratio of Tariq's telephone bill, let's call that T, to Priya's telephone bill, let's call that P, is 7:5. Okay, so 7:5, I'm going to write that like so. T to P is the same as 7:5. Okay, and Tariq's bill was 14 more than Priya's bill. So Tariq's bill is 14 more than Priya's. What was Tariq's bill? Okay, let's see. Let's look at the answers here. 21, 28, 35, 49. These are all multiples of 7. Cool, because we know that Tariq's is 14 more. That's 2 multiples of 7. You could think of this as, okay, let me just guess and check, like 35 is, and 35 is, so if it's 35 here and 14 plus what equals 35, that's gonna be 21. And the ratio of 35 to 21 is not the same as 7:5. I divide this by 7, I get 5. Divide this by 7, I get 3. Okay, that's not it. Alright, you can try that process again, and you should get an answer. Right, but I'm going to show you the algebraic way. Okay, so algebraically speaking, I can go ahead and convert this by inverse or multiplicative inverse to 5t equals 7p. Okay, and let's see, I see here we can go ahead and substituting in, let's substitute in for p. So p, we can think of that as 5t divided by 7. How did I get divided by 7? Because here it's multiplied times p. To get p by itself, divide by 7 on both sides. Okay, so t equals 14 plus p, but instead of p, I'm going to use 5t divided by 7. Personally, I want to get rid of this fraction here by multiplying the whole thing times 7. Right? Because if I multiply it here, then these will cancel out, and I'll get 5t. Perfect. But you can't just do it to one guy. You got to do it to everybody. So 14 times 7 here. Let's go ahead and do that in my calculator. Okay, that's 98. 98. And here we have 7t. Okay, perfect. No more fractions. I see that I have 7t over here and 5t here, so I can take away 5t on both sides. That'll give us 2t on the left, and that equals 98. And you divide 98 by 2, or what do you get? 49. Okay, and 49 is 14 more than 35, and you can think of that on how that ratio is 7:5. Okay, I went a little fast there, but if you were able to follow along, great. If not, please do replay the video, pause where you need, and make sure you follow along to know where and why this is how I wrote it out. Again, you don't have to do it the way I did. You can do it the way that makes sense to you. And I'm done.